time for fun. The robots shine beneath the sun. With blinking lights and dancing feet, they clap and spin to every beat. We play with blocks and build real high, a tower reaching to the sky. Triangle, says Robo-Ray. Let's learn more shapes while we play. Lots of robots love to play all day. They giggle in a silly way. They count, they dance, they zoom and spin. Let the robot games begin. Numbers, colors, shapes so bright. Robots learn with pure delight. In Robo Park, they race around with roller wheels that spin and sound. 1, 2, 3, they count with cheer. 4, 5, 6, we're learning here. Robo-Ray draws stars and dots, while Robo-Tom connects the thoughts. They take turns nice, they work